Hey guys, so for today's video, I don't really have much planned. I do want to go for more of a glowy bronzed kind of look, but something inside me says that I also want to have red lips today. I don't know who I've become. I'm gonna play with a couple of new products. Is this all drugstore? I think a lot of this is drugstore again. Big surprise. I'm probably just gonna be chatting as we go. That's the mood I'm in today, so if you're cool with it, stick around. If you're into this kind of stuff, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, we're gonna use the Alf-Luminous Putty Primer. As much as I don't like applying this, I do like it once it's on. And while I do this, as far as the foundation goes, I'm gonna have to mix a couple because I unintentionally got some color yesterday. If you know me at all, you know that I generally strive to avoid the sun, but it happened. We're here, we're gonna work with it. So I will be mixing my Elf Flawless Finish in, I think it's Ivory, it doesn't say on the packaging, which is one thing I don't like about this, with an adjuster from Face Atelier. So it's just supposed to kind of darken it a little bit, warm it up. I've never mixed these two products together, so we will see how they play. Yeah, actually that might work. We'll see how they oxidize too. I'm cursed by having foundation darken by about 17 shades once it's on my face, so cover the piece of paper that is my neck at the moment. Apparently that's the one place I put sunscreen. That worked out really nicely actually. Have you guys heard about Naya Rivera? That story is weighing on me lately like nothing else. If you don't know who she is, I'll insert a picture here. She was one of the main characters on the show Glee, and just recently she was out in a pontoon boat with her son. They jumped in to go swimming, and now it's being said that it's likely the boat kind of blew away from them while they were swimming. And by the time they were able to swim up to it, she was out of energy. She wasn't wearing a life jacket and her son was. So by the time they made it to the boat, she had just enough energy to push him up and into the boat, but not enough energy to get herself in. I think she was like 33. Her son is like 4. It's just heartbreaking. As soon as I had my son, one of my biggest fears became ever leaving him alone like that. Okay, so I think that is the kind of natural finish and coverage that I'm looking for. I'm gonna do a bit of concealer under eye. I'm using my Elf 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in Light Peach. And yet again, I don't want to go too heavy with the coverage today. Oh, this sponge really is awful for the under eye area, but then I have one little friend right here. Oh yeah, but back to the story. When they found this little boy on the boat, he was just asleep. I'm setting my under eye with the Dry Beauty Sponge and the KVD Shade and Light. Okay, well let's do some eyes. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette into Tempera and just lightly covering crease to brow. Taking my Morphe M456, dipping into this shade Antique Bronze, and just sweeping that along the crease. And then I'm going to blend it out. Oh, another thing, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I ordered my Raw Beauty Christie palette and lashes. Okay, now with the same brush I'm going into Burnt Orange. And I'm just going around the edge of that. And then to soften it up, we're going back into Tempera, just around the edge. Oh yeah, so I got notice that the makeup will be arriving today. I paid way too much for faster shipping. Like the shipping and duties from the States cost me $38 US. That is just disgusting. Now I'm filing for bankruptcy. So for on the lid, I'm going into Primavera. I'm just using my finger and patting that all over my eyelid. And I'm going back into Burnt Orange and just kind of blending into the crease there. For my under eye, I'm taking my Sigma small tapered blending brush. I'm gonna go into Raw Sienna and just keep it smoky underneath. For lashes, we are gonna try out the Honest Beauty primer and mascara. So this side is the primer and this side is the mascara. So this is the little primer. From what I've heard, you don't want to go too crazy with the primer. Ow! So just a quick even coat, and then I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. So now this side, oh, I forgot about that. They're a little tricky dicky, and This part is not the wand like it is on the other end. The whole tube thing is the wand. And I have played with this before, so I already know I don't like the type of wand this is. It's like one of those rubbery ones. Yeah, I can already tell you I don't love this. Okay, if anything, I feel like my lashes look smaller than normal. So the primer did a whole lot of nothing. Yeah, this is the second chance I've given this one, and that's all the chances you get with me. This Honest Beauty lash primer and mascara is a big no in my books. But I'm just gonna do some pretty simple natural lashes. We're gonna use our Kiss number 11. You're not even trying to stick on. For my brows, I'm sticking with the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP, light brown. What are the odds that my husband's cleaning out the fridge right now? I'm hopeful, but I also don't want to be too optimistic about it. Cool, so the next thing that The next thing that we're trying out is the Rimmel London Radiance Brick. I'm gonna try this as my bronzer. It is a multi-tonal shimmer powder. Not really sure what to expect from it, but oh, I can expect it to get all over me. That's number one. Wish me luck. It's pretty terracotta. It's a Kalamata. Oh, that's an inside joke. Yeah, it's a little bit orange on me. I mean, it's on my face, so we're gonna stick with it. I don't notice much shimmer in it though, so that's good. We're now going in with the Milani Baked Blush. It's a blush. A baked blush to be exact, and it is in the shade Luminoso. This is the last new product that I'm trying out. It is the Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls. When I first tried to open this, I spent like 3 solid minutes just trying to pop it up, but there's a little button they have to push down to open it, and it picks up super chunky. This one is a little bit shimmery. And now all I'm seeing are sparkles. But here I go, putting it everywhere else on my face. The last thing I'm gonna do are my lips, and like I said, I wanna go red today. So I'm using my Makeup Forever High Precision lip pencil, and this is in the color, I don't know what this is, number 40? I don't know, it's red. I'm gonna fast forward this part because red lips take me about 20 minutes. Now on top, I'm going to use my NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Cruella. Okay guys, that's it. This is the finished look. And we did it again. I was able to finish my makeup before the baby woke up. Should make it some kind of a challenge. Race against the clock to finish your makeup before your kid wakes up. Alright, I hope you found that interesting, or at the very least, I hope it helped you kill some time if that's what you're trying to do, and I hope to see you back at some point. Bye!